There we go. Ah, we're really going up. It's my favorite kind of sign right here. 15 miles an hour next 3 miles. Just making sure she saw it. So we don't get too crazy here. We do have a passenger. The goal is to always cautiously aggressive, especially when you have a passenger on the back. Be like that, you know, but give yourself a little extra room to get low down. My experience with girls and motorcycles is they love it just as much as you do, as long as you're not scaring the hell out of them. Just bumped the back of my head. Making the traction control work a little bit, that's always a good sign. Whew, that was a workout.